In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to create bank rules in Xero. This is useful for automatically categorizing recurring bank transactions and saving time during reconciliation. First, open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, look at the top navigation menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Rules. You'll now see your existing bank rules organized into sections such as spending money, receiving money, and transferring. To create a new rule, click on Create Rule. You'll now be taken to the rule configuration page. First, choose whether any conditions match or all conditions match. Next, use the Field drop-down menu to select what you want the rule to look for, such as the transaction, description, or amount. Add a condition and enter the value that should trigger the rule. Then, select the appropriate contact for the transaction. You can choose an existing contact, create a new one, or use the contact details from the bank transaction. Under Allocated Line Items, select the account code where matching transactions should be recorded. You can also add a reference or any additional details that will help identify the transactions. Once you've configured the rule, review all the settings and click Save. Your new bank rule will now be active and can automatically categorize matching transactions during reconciliation. And that's it. You've successfully created a bank rule in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.